Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Uh, Actually, today is very hot, but I hope you will enjoy wonderful Seoul. In this for seminar. Dear distinguished guests from the UNESCO-UNEVOC East and Southeast Asia Cluster member centers, and other special guests both from Korea and abroad. Greetings, my name is Hye Won Ko. I'm the president of the KRIVET. It is my great pleasure to welcome all of you to the 2025 East and Southeast Asia UNESCO-UNEVOC Network Consolidation Workshop. First, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to Professor Dae-jung Lee for delivering today's keynote address. I also extend my gratitude to Dr. Friedrich Hubler, the head of the UNESCO-UNEVOC International Center, and Dr. Sabas Khan, the director of the UNESCO Beijing office, for their congratulatory video messages. Since signing an MOU with UNESCO in 2000, KRIVET was designated as a UNESCO Center of Excellence for Tibet. KRIVET initiated the UNESCO Regional Center program to build a strong international cooperation network for Tibet across the Asia Pacific. We have hosted annual international workshops and dedicated to the advancement of Tibet in East and Southeast Asia. In 2012, KRIVET was appointed the coordination center of the UNESCO-UNEVOC Cluster Network for the region. Today, the world faces profound challenges brought by digital transformation, climate crisis, and technological change. In East and Southeast Asia, where rapid industrial and demographic shifts are taking place, we must explore new educational solutions that support sustainable work and life for all. This workshop aims to share international Tibet policies and best practice and to explore future-oriented innovation strategies for Tibet, particularly in the areas of digitalization and green skills. This year's workshop is being held in Seoul, I said wonderful Seoul, over 2 days. Today, we will share various topics on Tibet from UNESCO cluster members and engage in networking. Tomorrow, you will have study visits, including a Meister High School. Meister High School is a very famous secondary vocational education field. I would like to extend my heartfelt appreciation to all those who are contributing to this event. From now on, I will say many names, your names, but please understand that I will make any mistakes in pronunciation. Ms. Nicola Brown from the UNESCO-UNEVOC International Center, Dr. Myung Choi, Director of the Education Sector at the UNESCO-UNEVOC East Asia Regional Office, and Mr. Ho Chul-sin, Director of the ILO Regional Office for Asia and the Pacific. We are also grateful to the following experts from preparing topic presentations. President and Dr. Gabriel Salistre Jr. Oh, thank you. Vice President and Dr. Los Alan Nafud. And Dr. August Setirewan from the Philippines. Okay. Yeah. Dr. Momo Tun from Myanmar. Thank you. Dr. Afero Ismail from Malaysia. Okay. Dr. Bayalma Choktbaitat. And Dr. Tungalhau Chimit from Mongolia. And Dr. Anon Neom from Thailand. Thank you. We would especially like to express our sincere appreciation to Dr. John Lee, the president of the Education University of Hong Kong, who is attending this workshop for the very first time. the Education University of Hong Kong officially joined the UNESCO-UNEVOC cluster member this year, and Professor Kevin Young was appointed as the institutional coordinator. We warmly welcome Dr. Johnny, Kevin Young, and Ms. Michelle Chu to the workshop and our community. My special thanks also go to Mr. Kwang Woo-yoon, a General Supervisor of Education from the Korean Ministry of Education. Not participated yet, which is one of the cluster member centers from Korea. Also, we have Mr. Min-jae Kim, Mr. Seung-young Kim, and Ms. Yoon-kyung Kim from the Korea Chambers of Commerce and Industry. And Ms. Kim will introduce us to KCCI. KCCI is interested in joining the UNESCO-UNEVOC cluster, right? Through this workshop, we hope to explore collective strategies to accelerate TVET digitalization, strengthen collaboration among industry, academia, and research institutions, and promote the creation of sustainable jobs. More than simply equipping individuals with employment skills, our goal is to foster talents with green skills who can help ensure the sustainability of our planet. As the UNESCO-UNEVOC Regional Center, KRIVET will continue to serve as a robust platform for sharing KTVET's policies, experience, and best practice. We look forward to your continued participation as we work together toward an inclusive and sustainable society through TVET. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you have a wonderful time in Seoul. And thank you.